What's up, guys? Welcome to HomeCraft Cocktails. Cocktails you can make from the comfort of your home. My name is Briss, and with Christmas literally in less than 48 hours, I think it's a fine time to go over two different Christmas cocktails you can make: the Grinch Cocktail and the Santa Clausmopolitan. So let's start off with the Grinch Cocktail first. So the first thing we'll want to do is to garnish the rim of our glass with crushed up green candy cane. So I'm going to start by taking these out of the wrappers that they're in. After taking the candy canes out of the wrappers, we're going to place them in a small plastic bag, and then we're going to crush them up using a mallet. And the smaller the pieces you can make, the better, I would say, as it makes them easier for them to cling to the glass. Also, I'm sure most of you don't have a mallet like this, so you can use any way to crush them up. It's up to you. Then we're going to put those crushed up green candy cane onto a plate. Then we want to cut a lime in half, as that will give us the substance needed to get the candy cane to stick to the glass on the rim. We're just going to rim the glass with a lime, like so. Then we're going to place the glass upside down into our crushed up candy cane. Just knock a little bit to get off any excess. There's our rim garnish. So now onto our ingredients. We're going to pour an ounce of vodka into our shaker here. Follow that up with an ounce of Melon Liqueur. The most common melon liqueur you can find is Midori. It is a Japanese-based liqueur. Then we're going to do an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Then we're going to put ice into our shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds and then strain into our glass. And then lastly, we're just going to top it off with ginger ale. And there we have the Grinch Cocktail. So next we have the Santa Clausmopolitan. So first you're going to start by garnishing the rim of your glass the exact same way we did with the last cocktail, except we're going to use a red candy cane instead of a green one. Next we're going to do 1.5 ounces of vodka. Then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of orange liqueur. Then we'll do 1 ounce of lime juice. Then we're going to do 3 ounces of cranberry juice. And then we'll do 1/2 ounce of pineapple juice. And then we're going to fill our shaker with ice again, shake, and then strain into our glass. And then since our red candy canes are so small, we're going to place one right on the rim here. And there we have the Santa Clausmopolitan. All right, now that we have our drinks, let's give them a taste. Okay, so starting off with the Grinch Cocktail, I will say Melon Liqueur is a strong ingredient, especially when you only have 3 of them. So if you're not a fan of melon or anything close to that taste, you probably won't like this drink, but I do, so it's good to me. Also, with it only being 3 ingredients and vodka not really having a taste of its own, the lime juice, so that citrusy taste really comes through a lot too. So you have melon and the citrus taste pretty much like being the main stars of the show. But at the very top you have that ginger ale, you know, so I think that offers a buffer between the two tastes. But I think since we top it off with it, as you get lower into the drink, you're gonna have more of that citrus and that melon taste coming through. As far as how the cocktail looks though, I mean, they both pretty similar, you know, with the candy cane rims, but I like the fizziness of the Grinch Cocktail. And if you like the color green, this drink is right up your alley. All right, now let's try out the Cosmopolitan. Okay, so I was trying to go into this as unbiased as possible, but I am a sucker for pineapple juice. which this has, and I can almost easily say that I think I like this one more than the Grinch Cocktail. Only slightly though. I mean, they're really like neck and neck, honestly. It's not by like a long shot or anything, but wait, let me go back over here one more time. Let's see. Damn, no, that's hard actually. I don't know, man. I still, yeah, I give it to the Clasumopolitan by a hair, but it is a very close race for me, for sure. With the Santa Clausmopolitan, also, you know, we have the red candy cane, little mini cane on there. And that red, that like more like blush rose color, I like even more than the green, but these are both two very, very solid cocktails, and you really can't go wrong with either one. I'm not gonna lie to you. With that being said, guys, thank you for watching this week's episode. I'll catch you next week for the next round. Peace.